Deer are some of the most iconic and graceful creatures in the animal kingdom. Found in forests, mountains, meadows, and even suburban backyards, they're known for their beauty, agility, and those distinctive antlers. But behind their elegant appearance is a complex and fascinating animal with incredible survival skills and unique behaviors. Whether you're a nature lover, a hiker, or just someone who's stopped in awe at a deer in the woods, here are 15 fun facts that will deepen your appreciation for these wild wonders. 1. Only male deer grow antlers, usually. In most deer species, only the males grow antlers, which they use to fight for territory and mates during breeding season. However, there's an exception. In reindeer, caribou, both males and females grow antlers, a rare trait in the deer family. 2. Deer shed and regrow their antlers every year. Unlike horns, which are permanent, antlers fall off and regrow annually. Each year, the new set grows back bigger and more complex, especially as the deer ages. The antlers are covered in a soft, fuzzy layer called velvet during growth, which supplies nutrients. 3. Deer are excellent swimmers. Even though they're known for their speed and agility on land, deer are strong swimmers too. They can cross rivers and lakes when migrating or escaping predators, sometimes swimming several miles at a time. 4. They have an amazing sense of smell. A deer's sense of smell is hundreds of times stronger than a human's. They use it to detect predators, find food, and even communicate through scent markings. Their nose is always working, even when they appear relaxed. 5. Deer have eyes on the sides of their heads. Because their eyes are located on the sides of their heads, deer have a wide field of vision, nearly 310 degrees. This allows them to spot danger from almost any angle, although they have a small blind spot right in front of their noses. 6. They can run up to 40 miles per hour. When startled, deer can sprint at speeds of 30 to 40 miles per hour, 48 to 64 kilometers per hour. They can also leap up to 10 feet high and 30 feet in a single bound, helping them escape predators quickly through dense forests or open fields. 7. There are over 40 species of deer worldwide. Deer come in many shapes and sizes. From the tiny poodoo, the smallest deer species, only about 12 inches tall, to the moose, the largest member of the deer family, there's incredible diversity across continents. 8. Fawns, baby deer, are born scentless. This is a survival adaptation. Fawns have no scent, making it difficult for predators to detect them. Their white-spotted coats also act as camouflage, blending in with dappled sunlight on the forest floor while they lie still. 9. Deer are crepuscular animals. That means they are most active at dawn and dusk. These low-light hours help them avoid both daytime predators and human activity, making early morning or evening the best times to spot them in the wild. 10. Deer communicate with body language and vocal sounds. Deer use tail flicks, ear movements, stomping, and facial expressions to communicate with each other. They also make sounds like grunts, bleats, and snorts, especially during mating season or when warning others of danger. 11. Their hooves are like built-in hiking boots. Deer have cloven hooves, split in two, which help them navigate slippery, rocky, or uneven terrain. The hard outer edges grip the ground, while the softer center cushions impact, perfect for climbing hills or darting through woods. 12. They're herbivores with a varied diet. Deer are browsers, meaning they eat a variety of vegetation, leaves, twigs, fruits, acorns, grasses, and even mushrooms. They change their diet with the seasons, adapting to what's available in their environment. 13. Male deer rut during mating season. The rut is the mating season for deer, typically in autumn. Males become more aggressive and may spar with their antlers, chase rivals, and mark territory with scent glands. It's a dramatic time in the deer world, and often the only time males and females interact. 14. They're surprisingly quiet walkers. Despite their size, deer are incredibly silent on their feet. Their hooves and leg muscles are adapted to allow stealthy, smooth movements, helping them avoid predators. Hunters and nature photographers are often amazed at how quietly they can vanish. 15. Deer play important roles in ecosystems. As prey animals, deer support populations of predators like wolves, bears, and big cats. As herbivores, they help shape plant growth through browsing. However, when overpopulated, deer can also negatively impact forests by overgrazing, which is why some areas manage populations carefully. Graceful, alert, and deeply attuned to their environment, deer are a symbol of wild beauty and survival. From their silent steps through the woods to the seasonal drama of antler battles, these animals live fascinating lives that are closely connected to the health of our ecosystems. Whether you're spotting them in a forest or learning about them from afar, one thing's for sure, deer are much more than just pretty faces in the wild. Deer truly are one of nature's most fascinating animals. If you enjoyed learning about them, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more wildlife content, and let us know in the comments which animal you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.